Powys Teaching Health Board launched the Breastfeeding Welcome Scheme in August 2024 in partnership with Powys County Council.
My name's Laura Jones, I'm the Infant Feeding Coordinator for Powys. I think the benefit of the Breastfeeding Welcome Scheme for mothers in Powys is that they know that different venues across Powys are welcome and they can feel comfortable to breastfeed there, and they know that the staff will empower them as well.
As a local peer supporter, we are thrilled about the Breastfeeding Welcome Scheme. We feel like it's going to support mums and encourage them to be able to feed in public and reassure them in a way.
I think the Breastfeeding Welcome Scheme is brilliant, just because it just gives breastfeeding mums that confidence to know that you can feed in public and that there's venues that are very welcoming and supportive of it.
Definitely, I think the Breastfeeding Welcome Scheme is very much welcomed, just to help breastfeeding mums and the general public become more comfortable and just normalise the fact that people can breastfeed in public, and it shouldn't be any taboo about it at all.
I think it's really important because, like some mums don't feel comfortable to go out and breastfeed and they don't feel confident, and if there's a breastfeeding welcome establishment, at least you know that you can go there and you can feel really comfortable. You know that they're supportive and potentially they've got drink for you to have. And I just think it's a really great way to get more families and women feeling comfortable to breastfeed out and about.
We signed up to the breastfeeding scheme to support local families, and it's also extremely beneficial for my business. The mums and babies meet a baby group every week. They then come here where they're able to have a coffee, something to eat. It's a warm, welcome environment, and it's a nice space for them to meet with their babies.
Well, we're a very welcoming cafe, all inclusive, and it's just, again, more of the same, welcoming all members of the community.
We find the benefits of sign up the breastfeeding scheme is we have a lot of young mums come in here. They meet up as a support, and they feel very comfortable and welcome just to, do the natural thing, feed the baby, have a coffee. It's a warm and welcoming shop, and we do everything we can to make people feel comfortable.
We signed up to the breastfeeding scheme so we could have a safe and welcoming space for mothers to come and feed their babies without any judgment and in a nice, safe environment. I know as a breastfeeding mother myself how important that is, because when I was breastfeeding my son 16 years ago, there weren't many places that you felt comfortable going into. So it's really important that they have a safe place that they can come.
So me and my business partner Carleen, we're mums ourselves, so we know what it's like when your baby needs feeding. You want somewhere safe and comfortable to do that. We get a lot of mums in here, and we want to welcome them. We want them to feel at home and comfortable. So it just welcomes more people. Why wouldn't you?